I've had like 18 shots.
All right, let's get it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Again.
That's the second time.
Again.
Hi fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm just gonna start out every intro with
my hair not done, makeup not done, and missing an L.
where are we going? Me and Joe are going to Wendover today. It is a casino, for those of you guys don't know, or a casino. It's a little area of casinos. It's like a rundown Vegas. It's not like the most lit place, but we're about to turn up tonight because my mom's gonna have the kids.
And
We are ready to freaking just let loose. It's been a minute since we've been able to drink and have fun, party just together. Joe's getting me my he says, happy wife, happy life. So I'm gonna hurry up and do my hair because we are out of time actually. BC is going to get Boogie from school and she should already be getting here in about 5 minutes. So I have to hurry up and do my hair, finish packing, get the kids packed, get us all out the door, fix my nail. I have to do my nail. I'm not leaving without this nail. I just want to say that anytime I try to get ready and like do something with myself, my sister, I end up like running into her somewhere and her hair's done the exact same way I'm doing mine.
You could have added another one. I don't
Yeah, but I don't have a big enough head.
Make
Yeah.
it big enough. I could do another one.
Make it enough. Like one time we went bowling, we both showed up with wearing black with black beanies. And I was like, this beach. Do we look like?
Yeah, we do. I'm just darker.
Barely. Last minute things, just getting the essentials. Lights, bottle, and another one. Should I take my Malibu?
I think you're gonna want more than that, but oh, you can if you want.
No, because we'll be getting, yeah, we're taking it. And we probably should bring some of these, just in case. What kind do you want, Levi?
Great.
Grape? Ew. Gonna go pack everything. We should be off soon. We just dropped the kids off. We are running about an hour and 45 minutes behind. Joseph is putting gas in right now. I still say it's about another 20 minutes before we're even on the road because I have to put my card number on file for our room because we're not gonna make it in time. So I'm gonna hurry up and do that and then we'll be on our way. I guess you guys will see us when we get there.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do.
We finally made it, and real quick story about this creepy ass hallway. We were so lit one time. This guy and his Super Smash Bros companion decided it would be a great idea to get smashed. And he found his way to our hotel room. Where do we go? Elevator. He found his way to our hotel room.
Not me. I can work.
I know, but I'm saying Edwin found his way to our hotel room. Here's the elevator. Anyway, he was trashed and I had to bring him back to his room and my sister was pissed. We're at the very top floor.
It's okay.
We're gonna sober up by the time we get to the damn room. I have to pee too. This way.
What is that? 5 what?
534?
All the way.
Oh, yep. All the way at the end.
Why do they do that? I don't understand.
Cool. Looks like he does. See you in 5 years.
I'll pee in the shower. Go ahead.
We just ate. We just got back to the hotel room. Joe had to take a shit. I am ready to drink. We came back to the room so I could take a little shotty shot. And I made Joe a Crown and Sprite. Brand new bottle. I was supposed to drink it with my cousin, but that didn't happen. Joe even cut up my little limes before we left, and we had to ask them for, where are they? We had to ask them for salt packets because we forgot the salt. But I'm good to take my shot now. About damn time.
Oh, that looks strong. Should have said 1.5.
Ready? Well, cheers, baby. Is it nasty?
Yes.
Did you hear that like pour into my throat?
No. You already done?
Mhm.
Damn. Might as well take another one, baby. Those are baby shots.
I know. They are small. I put 2 in there and you said that it was a lot.
You probably put 3 on you. You did, didn't you? Because I know what 2 will give me.
I tried not to. I tried not to smile. I dead ass did.
I know you did.
March
Get the shot.
March 30th to
Pingo. Yeah,
Take
I'll
us
be
a
able
I have my... Wanna come, bro?
Yeah.
You can
We'll be
ride
out
it
there.
and then I'll take the Jeep and I'll just drive
See,
myself.
after you get bored, you can ride out there with us or whatever.
Heck yeah.
Oh, babe, do you... Oh, no, the light is on.
So bomb.
Why?
Okay.
Stop.
No, I don't want to do that.
No, stop. What?
You can
Freaking Kayla.
turn the lights off. Turn the lights off. Turn them off. No, dead ass. Turn them
Oh,
off.
so you know what I'm looking at?
Yes,
Okay,
I
cool.
know
No,
exactly
no,
what
no,
you're
you're the same page as me, then cool.
Well, where's the lights? I thought that same thing. That's why I'm like, don't say that shit.
What the hell's going on?
Nothing.
So...
We're ready to party, dude. This is who I am.
So I was telling you guys about my cousin Sergio. This is Sergio. This is my cousin Caitlin. We're like,
Hello.
how many shots in are you?
I'm
3.
They're 3. I think I'm
5, 6.
like 6.
6.
Yeah.
Quite a bit more.
I was.
Wide.
I took a
Double.
solo shot. Yeah, I took a solo shot. They were down to do 3 with me, but yeah, that's it. I'm
That's what
glad
it is.
that it like runs in the bloodline, like being paranoid about shit like that. So
Cautious,
I know
not
it runs.
cautious, not
Yes.
Not paranoid.
You're aware.
Cautious, yeah.
Aware. So I'm glad it runs in the bloodline, and I'm not just being crazy because
happened?
Joe
Joe.
does not believe me when I say shit like this. So I'm glad someone understands. Let me show you. Let me
They're
just show
round,
you.
Like a dome, like a camera.
Yeah.
That's what made me think.
Sergio's gonna explain it.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what made me think that.
Is that why you turned off the lights and tried to keep the red light on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it had it.
Did you?
It didn't have it.
Okay, we're clear.
We're good. We're
They
good.
do?
I'm
drinks go
taking
down?
one more shot.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna go down. We're gonna play. We're
One
gonna
more
get
shot,
lit.
bitch? You're cut off.
Why?
Just kidding.
No.
Oh, no, just kidding.
See, I love
This is
that
my
energy.
time to let loose and party.
See, there we go. I'm a mom
Joe said he's just kidding
24/7.
though, so she's gonna let loose.
I mean, we're worried about
He has no
ourselves. Hey, you
choice.
better.
That's what we're here for.
Yeah, it's the guys and the girls, so.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you guys are gonna be on the table, so I don't even know what you guys are talking about.
Thank you.
Taking one more shot.
Beer bong.
Oh, is it still recording?
Beer bong.
Still recording.
Hello. You're
Isn't she
taking it.
beautiful? I f***ing told you guys. I told you
Your beer
guys.
bong.
Kayla.
You guys are so sweet. Aw, man.
Oh man. I love being nosy.
Me too.
Sergio gets so fucking mad at me.
Not Joe. He's like, babe, what's going on? Damn, DUI.
He's like, babe, mind your business.
What is that?
A change.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Joe knows you just like we are.
Just down the hall.
Oh.
My cup was just right here. Wasn't it?
It's
Is it?
Joe. It might be the one. Is it this one?
Yes.
I'm gonna get a new one. It tastes like water.
We lit.
Hello.
We are lit.
We are quite lit.
We came up to the room. We needed to regroup. We f***ing scarfed some pizza.
Yeah. Yeah,
We-
we did.
So I don't know if you guys can see. Let's show you guys gas station. Okay, so there's a Burger King right there. Mickey D's right there.
Yep.
Mickey D's looks a lot closer, so we're just gonna f***ing walk to f***ing McDonald's.
And then there's
tonight.
that Chevron right there.
Oh yes, there's a Chevron right
gotta
there.
get candy.
But there's also a Pilot right there.
Ooh, let's just go to that because it's right
So
across the street.
exactly, that's exactly what I was thinking. We're gonna walk across the street to McDonald's,
Just look.
and I f***ing hope we don't freeze.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I only brought this small
It's
ass
fucking
jacket.
like
I
15
get
degrees outside. It's
15 f***ing degrees. Probably
even
negative
kidding. You
15
can
degrees
look it
now.
up. Yeah.
Probably negative 15 degrees now. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun.
yeah.
Y'all will be able to see
Well,
what happens because we're taking you with us, and it should be fun. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
We're just getting our exercise in.
Oh yeah.
We made it like
Failing at every decision you make right now.
we made it 20 feet outside of the.
Damn, hey.
How you doing?
Hey, what's up? Damn, no, hey.
That's a fucking room.
Hey,
I don't care. Shut up. Yeah, no. Men are f***ing pigs.
I'm like
I will
children.
never. No. I don't play that shit. I'm just trying to get my f***ing McDonald's fries. Come up, f***ing pig out with Caitlin.
Yes.
Wait for the guys to get back. We have been trying to get to the f***ing McDonald's for 10 minutes. Our noses are frozen. We cannot. It's across the street, you guys. You guys saw. It was literally across the street. We tried. We made
crosswalk. I pressed that thing, that crosswalk button to open for us.
And that was it.
Many times, and it got way too cold for us in that time period. And I said, Kayla,
we are done.
I can't. Like we can't.
I've had like 18 shots.
18.
I might have lost count.
Probably.
Is it 3? It's 3 o'clock.
No. Is it really? Fucking it. My watch is fucking dead. I keep checking.
My camera's almost dead too.
Hold on.
We just got
Let's-
catcalled.
Oh, I know. Damn.
That was-
Wait. Let me look. Damn. So gross. No, it's 1:55. It's almost 2.
For real?
That's an hour ahead.
We are cute.
All right, let's get it.
Oh my
Totally.
god. Oh my god.
Again.
That's the second time.
Again. I think I was thinking that it's gonna be so much heavier, but it's not.
Definitely not. Oh, your neighbors are probably pissed.
Oh
Who
my
could
gosh,
be in those?
This is key. Good thing it's family.
We split it. I'm excited to get some food and then we will be back. Goodbye.
Yes. Bye.
3 hours later.
The Pedialyte came in handy, huh?
Yep.
You see. Sick. Woke up nice and refreshed and we're ready to go eat. I'm ready to grow up. So we will see you guys later.